now to start the chaining, we're going to take your hand. You put your yarn in between the small finger and the 3 fingers, and you're going to hold your yarn by just keeping your fingers together. Then you're going to put your yarn over this finger like this. Then with this one and this one, you're going to hold. Okay, so that's how you hold. Then you hold your hook like a knife. Then we're going to move it horizontally, then up a little bit to like catch the yarn or hook it. Then we're going to turn our hook to face down. Then you're going to move it horizontally going backwards, passing through that loop, and you form a chain. I'm gonna do it again. Then we're going to move your hook horizontally. You go up a little bit, then you turn your hook to face down. Then you're going to move it horizontally going backwards, passing through that loop like that. Usually when I finish chaining, I hold the part that I've chained. So you're going to move your hook horizontally, go up a little bit, go up, then you turn your hook downwards to face down. Then you're going to horizontally move going backwards, passing through that loop, and that's a chain. Right, this part is holding the yarn. What do you call it? Is holding the yarn. Some people hold it like this, some people hold it just in between, so it's up to you. Then some people so you just see which one is comfortable for you, right? Right, so again, you move your hook horizontally, go up a little bit to catch or to hook that yarn. Then you turn your crochet to face down. Then you're going to move horizontally going backwards, passing through that loop.